welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use browser DOM, which stands for Document Object Model, with JavaScript. I've used this a lot in previous videos to edit the content of my HTML with JavaScript. I used it a lot in the DuckDuckGo Instant Answer API video. So, I'm going to show you what it is. To get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML and JavaScript. Alright, so first make a doctype tag. I know we're going to be all proper today. Doctype HTML. And then open an HTML tag. So proper. Then open a head tag. Very proper. Head. And then open a title tag. Title. This is like how you're supposed to nest your tags. Kind of funny. DOM stuff. Very good at titling my stuff. Close the title tag. Now close the head tag. Now open the body tag. Now close the body tag. Now close the HTML tag. And finally, you're done nesting your tags properly. This is how it's supposed to be done. I never do it though. This is like the only time I ever done this. I should, but I don't. Alright. Now inside your body tag, make a script tag. Because, this is a JavaScript tutorial. And I'm going to show you two things. Methods and properties. Methods get an element. So, an example of a method is document.body. That gets the document's body. And a property is something you can change about an element, like .inner HTML is a property. And let's close the script tag so I don't forget to do it later and wonder why my code doesn't work. And you can change that simply by going document.body.innerHTML equals, let's open a p tag and write hi, 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 Dom. Alright. Close the p tag. Inside of the quotes, close the quotes, add a semicolon, and save your work. Always save your work. I'm going to call this file dom.html. And I'm going to save it in this folder. Save. Next, close this. Open your browser. Open a new tab in your browser. Open your file manager. Find where you saved the file. And then drag the file right into your browser. Alright. And now, here in Firefox, it says, hi, 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 Dom. And I forgot to add a space. And see, that wasn't even in the HTML. This text here was purely JavaScript. So you can do dynamic things and edit only certain elements instead of the whole body. To do that, copy this script, Control X, and let's put it in the head to make things a little more convenient. And let's change the method we're using to get element by ID with a capital E in element, the first E, with a capital B in by, and a capital I in ID. And I just realized I didn't type it. Now I did. And then open parentheses and write an ID. And I'm going to use the ID DDD because that's convenient. And close quotes, close parentheses, and in the body, let's make an element with the ID of DDD. Let's make that element be a div. Div ID equals DDD. And then close the div. And let's add a button just above it. Button. And then onClick equals, and then in quotes, DDD. Open parentheses, close parentheses. I'm going to make a function called DDD. And then DDD. Open parentheses, close that button tag after you've put some text inside. And now here, let's open a function above it. Function DDD. And then open curly braces. and then down here close the curly braces and add a semicolon, and that creates a function called DDD, and this button will call it when you click on it, and what that function will do is it will change the text in this div. So let's save that. Oh, whoops. What'd I do? Here, I think I just... Dang. There we go. Alright, let's save that. I accidentally closed the file, and we don't need to keep this file manager open. Now open your browser and reload the page. There's now a button. Let's click on it. And now, down here it says hi DOM. Again, I forgot to add a space, but that's what the button does. When you click the button, it changes it. So I use this, for example, to change the sign in button on Google to a sign out button when you click on it. There's a lot of different methods and properties, so I recommend you go on W3 School's page about DOM and read up on the other methods and properties. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out KidZ at the bottom right corner of this. Go to my website at cukmekerb.gq. And Fortnite was written in CSS.